We frequently find ourselves entangled in the binary confines of alpha and beta, where obedience and dominance rule supreme within the complex web of male archetypes. Yet, amidst this rigid division, there exists an enigmatic figure rarely discussed, shrouded in mystery and understated strength, the sigma male. While alpha males exude charisma and command attention with their assertive presence, and beta males navigate social structures with adaptability and cooperation, sigma males tread their own path, quietly forging their way through life with an air of independence and introspection. They are the outliers, the lone wolves who roam the wilderness of existence, unencumbered by the expectations of society or the need for external validation. In a world where the spotlight often shines brightest on the alpha and the beta is heralded for its affable nature, the sigma male remains a figure relegated to the shadows, overlooked and underestimated. Yet, it is precisely this disregard that allows them to thrive, finding solace in the sanctuary of solitude and the freedom to chart their own course. Sigma males understand the value of alone time to recharge their souls, seeking refuge in the quiet corners of the world where they can retreat from the noise and chaos of modern life. They are not antisocial, but rather selectively social, choosing their connections with care and nurturing relationships based on authenticity and mutual respect. As we delve into the intriguing world of the sigma male, stay with us as we uncover desires that may seem unexpected, yet resonate deeply with their essence. But most intriguing of all is the 8th point, a profound insight that has the power to not only redefine what it means to be a sigma male, but also to transform the way we view independence and strength in our own lives. This revelation promises to shift perceptions and inspire a reflection of our own paths in the quest for authenticity. So join me as we explore these 8 mysterious things that sigma males truly desire. The journey to the final point will not only surprise you, but might also change the way you see yourself and the sigma males in your life. Here are 8 mysterious things that sigma males truly desire. 1. Seeking solitude in nature. Sigma males find their refuge deep in the wilderness, where the never-ending orchestra of nature plays. They are drawn to the wild beauty of unspoiled environments, where the sounds of modern life gradually disappear and are replaced by the calming sounds of wind blowing through leaves and the steady rhythm of running water. Amidst towering trees that stand as ancient sentinels, sigma males feel a profound connection to something greater than themselves. They seek solace in the embrace of rolling hills that stretch to the horizon, their vastness mirroring the expanses of their own minds. And as the waves crash against rugged shores, they find kinship in the relentless ebb and flow of the tide, a reminder of life's perpetual motion and evolution. In nature's embrace, sigma males find the space to breathe, to think, and to simply be. Far from the distractions of modern life, they are free to unravel the complexities of their own thoughts and emotions and confront their fears and aspirations with unwavering honesty. However, sigma males are drawn to the natural world's embrace not only by solitude, but also by a deep respect for the resilience and innate beauty of the environment. 2. Embracing the power of silence. In a world where noise reigns supreme, sigma males stand as silent sentinels, guardians of the power of silence. While others may seek solace in the cacophony of conversation, sigma males find solace in the spaces between words, where truth echoes in the absence of sound. For them, silence is not emptiness, but rather a canvas upon which the symphony of life unfolds. It is in these moments of quiet reflection that they discover the depth of their own thoughts and emotions, unencumbered by the distractions of the outside world. In the hush of the early morning or the stillness of the night, sigma males find sanctuary, allowing the whispers of their inner selves to rise to the surface. Here, amidst the gentle rhythm of their own heartbeat, they find clarity and understanding, untainted by the opinions and expectations of others. In a world filled with constant noise and chatter, the sigma male stands as a beacon of stillness, a reminder of the beauty that lies in the spaces between. 3. Cultivating inner wisdom. Sigma males are like sponges in the vast ocean of knowledge, absorbing insights from every wave that washes over them. Their hunger for wisdom is endless, fueled by a deep-rooted desire for self-improvement and enlightenment. From the dusty tomes of ancient libraries to the cutting-edge podcasts of today, they explore every avenue of learning with an unquenchable curiosity. But for Sigma males, knowledge is not simply a collection of facts to impress others or win debates. It is a journey of self-discovery, a quest to unlock the hidden truths of the universe and unravel the mysteries of their own existence. They understand that true wisdom cannot be found in the validation of others, but must be cultivated from within through introspection, reflection, and a willingness to question everything they thought they knew. 4. Mastering the art of minimalism. In a world where consumerism often reigns supreme, Sigma males stand apart as champions of minimalism, embodying the age-old adage that less is indeed more. Their homes are not showcases of opulence or status symbols, but rather sanctuaries of simplicity, where every item serves a purpose and every space breathes with intentionality. But it's not just their physical surroundings that reflect their minimalist principle. It's a mindset that impacts every aspect of their lives. They are discerning consumers, eschewing the allure of fleeting trends and impulse buys in favor of quality craftsmanship and lasting value. Yet their commitment to minimalism extends beyond the material realm. They understand that clutter isn't just physical. It can also weigh heavily on the mind and spirit. 5. Cultivating inner wisdom. Picture the Sigma male, not merely as a consumer of knowledge, but as a relentless seeker of the profound. While others skim the surface of understanding, Sigma males dive deep into the ocean of wisdom, plumbing its depths with insatiable curiosity. They are the alchemists of intellect, transforming raw information into profound insights through the crucible of introspection. For the Sigma male, learning is not a passive pursuit, but a passionate quest for enlightenment. They devour books voraciously, savoring each word like lovers of fine wine. Podcasts become portals to new realms of thought, where ideas collide and spark the fires of inspiration. Yet, it is in the oven of experience that they truly forge their wisdom, confronting challenges head-on and emerging stronger and wiser for the journey. 6. Forging their own path. Sigma males are the mavericks of society, dancing to the beat of their own drum rather than conforming to the mainstream melody. They possess an innate rebellious spirit, unafraid to challenge the status quo and venture into uncharted territories. Instead of seeking validation from external sources, they find fulfillment in the pursuit of their passions and the realization of their individualistic visions. Like cosmic explorers navigating the vast expanse of the universe, Sigma males chart their own celestial paths, guided by the stars of their own intuition and ambition. They thrive in environments where they can carve out their own niche, sculpting their legacy from the raw materials of their dreams and aspirations. 7. Embracing emotional intelligence. In a world where emotions are often seen as a sign of weakness, Sigma males stand as beacons of emotional intelligence. Behind their tough exterior lies a deep understanding of human emotions, both their own and those of others. They navigate the uncertain waters of social relationships with grace and compassion, harnessing the power of empathy to forge meaningful connections. When faced with conflict, Sigma males do not succumb to the impulse of ego-driven aggression. Instead, they approach situations with a calm and logical attitude, seeking resolution through open communication and understanding. Their ability to listen without judgment and respond with empathy often diffuses tension and fosters harmony, even in the most challenging of circumstances. 8. Championing personal growth. For the Sigma male, life is an ever-unfolding adventure, a relentless quest for self-mastery and personal excellence. They thrive on the thrill of growth, seeing every obstacle as a chance to sharpen their skills and deepen their understanding of themselves and the world around them. Their journey is marked by a relentless pursuit of ambitious targets, fueled by an insatiable hunger for self-improvement. They are not content with mere competence. Instead, they push the boundaries of their own potential, daring to reach for greatness in every aspect of their lives. In a world that often values quick fixes and instant gratification, Sigma males stand as beacons of resilience and perseverance. They know that true excellence is not achieved overnight, but through dedication, discipline, and a willingness to embrace discomfort. The journey never really ends in the mysterious world of the sigmamale. Rather, it simply shifts into a new phase of learning and development. With each step forward, they leave an indelible mark on the world, inspiring others to embrace the power of solitude, wisdom, and self-mastery. So let us raise a toast to the Sigma male, the quiet trailblazer, the eternal seeker, and the embodiment of relentless evolution. In their pursuit of personal excellence, they illuminate the path for us all to follow.